Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are now attending my lecture. Today I'm going to conduct a class which is about how can you prepare yourself for the examination. For this, I really need your attention. So I prepared the model paper for the academic session 2022 and 23. You know very well that your examination is going to be started by the next month, inshallah, and what I did in the model paper, I'm just going to give you the complete structure. How can I compile to all those, articles in this model paper? The first, let me remind you, you need to take it for a little preview that your paper contains 70% of the grammar, 70% and 30% of your literature, right, which is of course your book, right, 30%. So if you want to get 100% marks, if you want to get good marks in English, so it means that you need to get a very strong grasp to understand the grammar, and that's a very important part of our literature, as you know very well. So I have just made a model paper according to the pattern. You know that the course has been revised last year, and I'm talking about this book has been published by July 2022 last year. According to the new schedule, according to the new curriculum, I made it's so easier to all of you, right? So as you know very well that the first question is about the MCQs here, multiple, right, choice, right, and question, right? And that is section A, right? Multiple choice question, we need to go for the statement that comes in your book. We need to go for the statement that contains the grammar, like preposition, articles, verb, adverb, voices, narrations. So it means that if you are just going to get a very strong grasp in understanding the grammar, you will have to get very, correct marks in multiple choice question. That is the basic thing that I'm just going to tell you.
So how many multiple choice will be question number one? How many multiple choice will be question number one?
Almost 17 multiple choice questions are coming in this model paper. You need to go for stating, you can see the book, you can see the grammar as well. So we can take a lot of things from the side. So multiple choice questions. After that, there's section B that contains question and answer, right? Section B, question and answer, right? You need to know very well that I think almost in 8 chapters, we need to go for important questions. Right now, I'm, not able to give you the complete information regarding that, but the questions are coming from your book that contains almost, 12 to 15 questions I made, and I collected it from the chapters. That's very important part of your paper. So you need to remember, you need to learn it, right? And after that, the very, very important thing, if you just come down with section C, right? Section C, that is descriptive. This is short question answer. You need to go for the answer that should not more than 5 to 6 lines, right? But if you talk about section A, this is descriptive sort of section in which we need to just go through essays, letter, application, emails, idioms. You can say the preposition, do is corrected, which is the most important part of the grammar sections. So that is basically the criteria that I made it, and I shoot this model paper. I hope that you will just go through all of that model paper and to get a final step and motivation. The first and the last thing I'm just going to give you, that struggle is the key of success. Keep continuing your efforts to get good marks in examinations. Thank you very much. Take care, sir.